Canvas ePortfolios are a place where students can display and discuss significant submissions and experiences that are happening in their learning process. They can use an ePortfolio to display a paper they're proud of for more than just their instructors to see. Talk about all the thought and work that went into a class submission. Gather an overview of their educational experience as a whole. Share their work with friends, colleges, universities, future employers. Create an online educational journal for reflection. Create an online site that can be turned in as an online assignment. Demonstrate mastery of course outcomes. Showcase professional quality work for prospective employers. As a teacher, the first step is to decide what focus you want students' ePortfolios to have and map out which sections and pages you want them to include. Students will begin by clicking on the account icon and selecting the ePortfolio link. Next, they will click on Create an ePortfolio and give it a name, then click on Make ePortfolio. ePortfolios are private, which means that people cannot find them or even view them without permission. Students, of course, will be able to see the portfolio because it belongs to them. But if they want anyone else to see it, they will need to copy and share a special link so others can access their ePortfolio. The ePortfolio link is in the middle of this page. Mine is right here. And students can create multiple ePortfolios. Each one will have a unique link they will need to share for others to see it. I would suggest having students start by looking at the Getting Started wizard. It provides a nice explanation of what each of these items are. They can read the definition to the right, and then they can click on Show Me to see where it is located. Okay. ePortfolios are made up of sections and pages. When students are ready to begin adding these items, they will click on Go to the actual ePortfolio. Each ePortfolio automatically will have one section labeled Home and one page labeled Welcome. Students can edit these items. So if I'm on the Home section, to the right, I will see Welcome. If I click on Welcome and click on Edit this page, it opens the Rich Content Editor box. And I can maybe introduce myself, explain the purpose of this ePortfolio, so then when people come to view it, they will understand why I have created it. And when I'm done, I will click on Save Page. Okay. So I want to add additional sections. Sections appear on the left, and pages for each section will appear on the right. To begin, I'm going to click on Organize Section, and I'm going to add an English 12 section. And a trigonometry section. So I have 3 sections: Home, English 12, and trigonometry. The next step is to add pages for each section. So begin by clicking on English 12. It has one new page, but I want to edit the title, so I'm going to click on Edit this page. And I'm going to label it Argumentative Writing, and I'm going to save the page. I want to add a second page, so I'm going to click on Organize and Manage Pages, add another page, and I'm going to add PSA for my public service announcement. Okay. So up at the top, this tells me that I'm in Susan's ePortfolio. I'm in the English 12 section, and I have 2 pages, one for argumentative writing and one for my PSA. So now I'm going to add pages to trigonometry. I'm going to click on trigonometry. I have one new page which I want to edit. I'm going to click on Organize and Manage Pages, add another page. And I'm going to add one more page here. So for Susan's ePortfolio, in the trigonometry section, I have 3 pages, Chapter 1.1 notes, Chapter 1.2 notes, and Chapter 1 assessment. So at any time I can go back and I can edit the titles, I can delete a section or a page, I can even add more sections. I can rename them, I can delete them, I can move them. Just a reminder that an ePortfolio cannot be processed as a gradable assessment, since the ePortfolio is attached to the student's user profile and not to a specific course. Teachers would need to create an assignment where students would submit the link to their ePortfolio, and within that assignment, you can include a rubric by which you would grade that ePortfolio if that is the purpose of it.